We're gonna be reacting to guess the best or the most profitable trader. Let's get straight into it, bro.
I think he does well.
I'm really sorry, like, you're a very beautiful girl, but 3 months in the market, I don't think you're even profitable yet. Do you know what I mean? So if we score...
That might be the case, chat. That might be the case.
Never underestimate a woman.
Number 5.
Ooh, she just said never underestimate a woman. Fuck you mean by that?
He did this full time. Yeah. You got to earn his jacket or earn his trainers and go like that's going on.
I didn't clock that.
And if you're in Turkey quick time.
At what point did you become
that.
profitable? How many years into your journey or months into your journey for you to become a profitable trader?
I started to be very profitable in New York.
Okay, was that like 5 years in, 10 years in, a year in, 6 months in, for you to become like
Starting my career?
By the way, she's been trading for 25 years, just to clarify. Personally, I don't think you can get, like, the people who have been in the market long term and the people who have been in the market short term, like 2 years, 1 year, something like that. I think the people that have been in the market short term are more profitable. That's just me.
You just started, you're instantly profitable.
When I finished Columbia University,
Sure.
5 years.
Yeah, so I've been profitable since I was 17, so 2 years into my journey, but I was trading under my brother's name, allegedly.
I became profitable 2 years into my trading journey, traded prop firms under my parents' name. As I already told that I have experience of 6 years, and from last 4 years I am profitable. It took me 5 years of losses and 3 years of profitability now. When someone has actually been failing for like 4, 5, 6 years, then you actually see like what kind of trader they are. They're so much more seasoned.
This is the last
No,
contestant.
no. I think the optimum. Ooh, I just said optimum. I think the best time is 2 years, something like that.
Did you become profitable?
From the very beginning.
Straight back.
From actually the first month, actually, because I follow my cousins like trade.
So would you say you're copying signals at this point?
Yeah.
Okay, fair enough.
1 and 6 first. 1 and 6.
Yeah, one
One.
6 and 1 stop, please.
Me?
Yeah.
First?
Last, yeah.
Go there?
I mean, I'm not 100% by the way. And I think Kev's got to go a bit higher as well.
Yeah, I think Kev's got to get up there. I would say you two swap.
Yeah.
Happy with that, to be fair.
Off the top, man.
Maybe we could talk about these two. We'll be happy with the way they are.
I feel like we've not got enough information to a degree.
You live at home?
Yeah, I live with my parents.
Should I just snipe? And I'm really good at sniping, by the way. Okay, I'm really good at sniping. So the first one is gonna be either this guy or this woman. Okay, that's gonna be our first, and then our second is gonna be this guy, and then our third is gonna be this guy, and then fourth this guy, and then she's obviously the last.
So my man's good, but you're a lot more than mine.
Probably swap them as well.
Yeah, that's just me though. That's just me.
Because
Yeah, go on, we'll look at it.
if you're a profitable trader watching this,
Why the fuck did you have to, bro? Why the fuck did you have to? I don't do any promotions, bro.
It's primarily ICT concepts, which I refine myself after long time of back testing.
What time frame do you enter on?
I traded on 1 minute.
Nah, I thought here's another one that trades on the 50. Who enters on the 15 second.
Never.
No, I do. And everyone
Okay.
laughed at me, bro. I was like, I got a bro.
Well, I actually respect the 15 minutes.
No, 15 second.
15 seconds?
Yes.
Oh, you're mad. You're a madman.
Fam, tell us how you trade.
I trade according to my clients, right? So it goes from basic gold, I know a lot about oil,
Yep.
gas, energy. The way I'm so profitable is because I understand the risk profile. I do the bottom up and top down analysis.
Yeah.
Every time I look at the company's balance sheet,
That's pretty big.
well, 25 years, my friend.
Right?
Yeah.
Tell us about your strategy a bit, your win rate, your average risk to reward.
Basically, I trade in gold.
She trades oil.
My strategy is based on liquidity sweep on reversal basis. My best risk reward is around 1:22, 1:20.
how many are you winning? Let's say you take 10 trades for that. How many of them would you win?
In a month, I trade 60, so 45 is my profit table.
45 out of 60 and 1 to 22 winners.
Basically, when I take trade, I take it for 1:2. Then after that, I trail it to higher levels.
So your biggest trade is like 1 to 20. Cool. That makes sense. He's had a trade that's gone to 1 to 20.
Well, you look classify 1 to 20s as big.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Wait, what do you trade? What's your highest?
1 to 40s, 1 to 50s.
Like normal?
Yeah. So 2 days out of the week I trade, and it's almost near 90%.
90% win rate?
90% win rate.
Oh, put it on there.
I run a very tight margin, and I've got days which are likely to be low and high in the week, so I also swing trade. And I do it on private clients' accounts.
So you're saying 90% is your win rate? So like if you take 10 trades, all 1 to 40 will
So remember, I'm very careful with the trades I take.
I hear that, but
I
like,
only trade genuinely once or twice a week.
bro, 1 to 190 is impossible.
Yeah.
Like mathematically impossible.
Is he under exaggerated, over exaggerated as well?
Even if you go on ChatGPT and you ask if that's possible, it will just say no.
I'm prop firm's worst nightmare. I'm banned from a lot of them.
Number 5, can you tell me a bit more about your strategy?
No, that guy is lying. That's all I'm gonna say. That's guy. I'm gonna give him 5 red flags right now. Right off the bat. 5 red flags. Right off the bat.
So it all depends on the clash of the different constraints. I trade mainly 80% fundamental.
I think this guy is profitable. Or the most profitable around here. Because he looks like a nerd. And I'm telling y'all, chat. Don't ever underestimate these guys, bro.
And 20% is like support and resistance.
I like this guy.
Fundamentals. Tell us.
Yeah, like macroeconomics or geopolitics.
Do you trade gold?
Yeah.
Have you been selling gold recently?
I've been selling gold.
I like this guy.
But I lost. Because I ended to fight the key levels and it just like went so deep and I tried to...
Okay, he's not that bad. He's not that bad.
Like a matching gold strategy, you know.
What time frame are you using?
I'm mainly using 4 hours in one day.
Very sensitive fundamentals, isn't it?
You're number 6, are you?
Yeah.
Can you explain a little bit about the strategy you trade?
So the strategy, I just follow what my cousin tells me.
Oh, cousin, bro.
I wish that was my strategy.
I trade gold,
Yeah.
but obviously I'm still new to the stuff, but I'm very profitable. You'd be surprised.
When you start taking signals from it,
She just had to ruin it. She just had to ruin it. We're gonna give her 6 red flags. Okay? 6 red flags right off the bat. Take it. Take it! 6 red flags, bro. What you mean? You don't know what you're trading, you don't know how you're trading, you're just trading. And you're profitable. If it was that easy, bro, if it was that easy, like everyone would be profitable, bro.
the girl cousin.
Yeah, her name is Ayla.
Did she get you to invest into a certain broker?
Yeah, like she did.
You said minimum deposit like £500 into a certain broker.
She put in the money, so I just do what she tells me to do.
Why would she put in money for you to trade if you can trade?
Because she trusts me. I'm not an emotional trader, so I
You're
don't.
copying her trades.
Yeah.
If you make £1, technically you're profitable, right?
Yeah.
I almost sketch all the selling in gold.
Yes, I like this man. She has been amazing for selling gold.
Yeah. I love selling gold.
Could you give us your stats, please?
20-30%.
Right, okay, and what's your R? After I'm not.
1, 9, 12.
Trading over like crazy.
Bro, I don't know how these people want 1 to 50, 1 to 9, 1 to 20. Like, how the fuck are y'all doing that, bro? Like, for me, the most I've done this week was 1 to 2.5. Okay, how are they doing? Like, am I bugging? How are they doing 1 to 5, 1 to 50, 1 to 20, 1 to 30? This guy said 1 to 90 or something like that. How are y'all doing this? I only do 1 to 1, 1 to 2.5, 1 to 1.5, something like that. My biggest one was 1 to 2.5 or something. The fuck?
Yeah,
it's 20.
This is a win rate, yeah, 20%.
Yeah.
But can you tell me a bit about your strategy? So I use Tosu in conjunction with CRT. So essentially it's a false breakout and liquidity sweep reversals. My win rate is 60% and I trade at 1 to 3.
Doesn't make me feel
Okay, yeah, good. 1 to 3, that's respectable.
That's the same win rate as I do on 1 to 1.
I don't know. That might be his data he's got, so he's going, right, off of that data, I'm 6%.
Can each one of you tell us how many years of data did you backtest on your whole system before you started trading it live? Do you know how many
Okay.
years the ILA backtest per system?
Moments like this, I wish Isla was here. She
Yeah.
speak.
You're the ambassador for Ireland.
I'm the ambassador, yeah.
Full trust in Ireland. I listen to
Full trust in
Johnson.
Isla.
I backtested 6 months. As I already in market from last 6 years, I tested 2 years earlier data.
Not recently, but about 2 years ago, 7 years worth of data.
I've been testing my strategy for the last 2 years. It's working. And for the backtest, I do it every Saturday or Sunday before the market opens.
So the backtest 2 years back. Was it?
Yeah, that doesn't make much sense. Wait, so when you started 8 years ago, right?
Yeah.
How much data did you test before that?
I didn't test any data. I was
You just started trading live right away.
trading, trying to figure it out. And that's it.
These people are different.
Wait. Okay, not bad. Okay.
Well, I've been training for a long time, and I survived too many cycles. I think you need to go back and understand in point in time and try to project that. The situation now we have here in Iran, if you go back to 2000,
Chad, the only thing I hate the most is backtesting. I really hate that.
will tell you a lot what's happening at the moment.
What would your advice be to Nina after you heard how she's currently approaching the market?
I think the basics for everybody is education. You need to be able to look at a company or look at the market and understand the peaks and off peaks. Looks to me she's speculating too much. I would never think.
That's guessing basically, right?
Yes.
What time does everyone trade?
When my cousin tells me,
What's the name?
Isla,
Shout out Isla!
she messages me and I'm like, yep, this is the time.
Trade US session. What time is that in UK? 2:30. Asian session basically. And also New York session.
I think he has to go up a little bit. If he's trading gold in the Asia session, at the minute it's Asia.
That guy is a clutch, bro. That guy is a clutch. He's doing that. He is doing that. Trading Asia in trading gold in Asia. He is clutching this, bro. He's clutching this. He's that good. I'm telling y'all, bro. Y'all need to do that more because it's genuinely better than trading New York sometimes.
Been a complete landslide.
So
Damn,
like I
I'ma
said,
give him.
I've got DBA levels
I'ma give him 5 green flags. 5 green flags just for him seeing that. 5 green flags just for him seeing that.
on the chart, right? But it's half an hour.
What a
in the
guy,
Asian
bro.
session of 2:30
What a
to 3
guy.
on New York.
I know the US session is the most volatile because you have a mix of 2 sessions. But honestly, I trade whenever I want. It depends on where I see the opportunity. I don't have that like limit on I need to trade on New York or Asia or when.
Okay, so this guy is very serious, bro. He's not playing around.
How long would your average trade take?
Like minimum 24 hours until maybe I don't know 1 week, 2 weeks.
That makes sense.
New York.
New York session?
Yeah.
Okay. Which is? In the UK?
New York there is about 2:30. I like to watch Bloomberg before the opening, and that's when I get the news before the market starts to operate.
So we think Fab, we all agree that she might be like the most profitable, right?
I don't know. I feel like we're giving it too much experience just because she's got experience.
How about we ask her what she thinks of Kev's numbers, if she's actually the most profitable? Kev, you heard his win rate is 90%, his average risk reward is like all the way up to 40. Yeah,
Inflated.
very inflated, right?
Yeah.
Like how inflated was he out of 10 days?
I think that he's lying.
You should join my course. If you want to learn, listen, I can make you more money.
This is called experience. This is called something else.
This is called course selling.
She just called him a liar. We just got a confluence that he could be just inflating his numbers crazy. I saw it put Kevin and Rohit.
I've seen like some of these Indian traders, yeah, in on TikTok, yeah, and they're doing madness. But I'm actually not agreeing to it. I'm saying everything I think could have tweaked. Kev is solid. Is those two.
Wait, why is Kev solid? You agree with number one being number one, right? Sorry, no.
Yeah.
But she just said that he's lying. So you're contradicting like 2 things right there, right? If you agree with her, but then you're not agreeing with her.
At least she's the most profitable.
But then she just said that he's lying. Then why are you keeping him
I
there?
think Rohit is a secret. I think he's a ghost. I think he's actually way more profitable than we think. I won't be surprised at the end. No, but Kev's solid. Like, I feel
Why is he solid? His numbers don't make sense.
You're my guy, man. I feel like we're gonna get along, bro.
I mean, at 40 to 1, yeah, but he said it was a home run. Like, yeah, but if
No, he said
you
the average is 19 to 1.
You're getting tricked by him.
Kev, man.
Break even is quite quick. That's one.
Yeah, but that means if you're hitting break even quite a lot, surely that brings your risk reward, average risk reward way down from 19 to like.
Wait, Roy said his winner is 70-80% as well.
Yeah. With 15, 16 accounts, different accounts.
With what risk reward?
1:3, you have 60-70%.
He said 1 to 2, 1 to 22, 50%, 60%. Freestyle.
I told him my highest trade goes to 1:22. In last week only, I catch 1400 pips in gold.
I believe him though, like.
Okay. He even told them the pips, so he's a bit solid. I would say he's a bit solid. And he trades gold in Asia. Just to keep it in mind. I think he might be a lapper, but it's still good.
Like, gold to him, man.
I'm not trusting Kev. His number.
Yo, Black Shirt, listen. Literally, just trading. I've got a diversified portfolio in our assets and do collectibles as well.
Well, I got Airbnb, I have restaurants as well.
Talk me through your restaurants. Where are they based?
Morocco.
Morocco, all of them.
Mm-hmm.
Are they?
True. I feel like this guy's got money, but I don't think it was necessarily all from trading.
Did you have that business before you started trading?
No.
That's funded by your trading?
Yeah.
And the Airbnbs as well?
Yeah. Chat, I'm telling y'all, that guy is solid, bro. He's not
Is it the
playing
most
around.
expensive purchase of the Gulf?
Yeah.
Well, those aren't purchases.
Restaurants are purchased, no?
No, it's just rent.
You don't start up 4 restaurants at Airbnb just for the sake of it. Like, generally you're doing that if you've just got time and money. You know?
Can I ask a question to Fab? What car do you drive?
I don't need anyone to drive. I sit in the car and the car drives for me. How about that?
Are you getting paid for this video?
No, I don't need the money.
What's made you come on?
Of course I'm getting paid as well.
Oh, I'm not getting paid either, damn.
Surely, based off like how much money you make, etc., this isn't really worth the time.
I have fun.
I don't think if Fab's making as much as she's making and she's going back and forth from New York, she'd carve out time to come on the GFT, guest a trader show.
Can I say something? The secret of know how to trade is to experience everything in life. You need to learn
I can
marketing.
see what's on the expense.
I'm not comfortable with that bit.
But trading is to experience everything in life.
In the New York and penthouse, I'm in.
Yeah, I mean, think about it. You have a penthouse.
Are we just talking about the profit
Bro, oh my god.
from the trading or from the other business? So that's from trading. But they are talking about the other business and everything also.
Sure.
That's what I'm thinking. Could be right from America.
I can be a side trader.
She's dying to be sick. She's not sick.
No shit, I think she's
She's not sick.
I'm not gonna risk my opportunity to get insider trading later, so.
Look at me driving at home.
Get me out of 6.
You're really fun.
Nah, man, I'm Team Fab. But I'm also Team Kev.
Nah, she's listen, hold on.
I don't think I'll change anything.
Just keep it from there. I'm telling you.
Oh, no, Dave, I don't think we're going to get the table to agree on that.
I beg you to move it on to
Alright. Well, where to though?
4.
And then where's Kev going?
I saw them TT up.
So he's the most profitable.
Yeah.
No, that's fine, but I'm just saying.
She just watches it, bro. I can touch free on YouTube, bro.
He has a townhouse from trading.
You could be exaggerating.
That's true.
That's the kind of...
I think that Moroccan? I think, yeah, he's the most profitable chat.
I mean,
I'm Team Fab.
Yeah,
Sure, we're going to see you. Where did you get the Hermes stuff from?
Store, right?
that's
That makes as well. See, she's just flexing, bro. You mean you got it from that social all the time? You need it off that. What's that website? You know.
A couple bills there, 1, 2 bills.
He's doing more than 6 figures.
Straight in.
Yeah.
I think she'll up.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think he should be up. He needs his. So,
Bro, I would have swapped the first one and the second chat. I would have swapped number 1 and number 2. Or and then number 5 and number 4.
If we believe in Fab, then she's obviously just Claire. So she's number
he
1.
just got a man's scarf that no one even knows about. What more do we need? We didn't even know that.
That's it. Have right hand and stuff. We just haven't showed it well. Yeah.
I know after watching this, you want a couple of 100 accounts. I know
Oh my god, bro. Oh my god, bro. Oh my god, bro. I don't want any promos, bro.
Correct order.
Okay. Time for the big reveal. Time for the big reveal, bro. Time for the big reveal. Time for the big reveal. I know I'm correct, so let's see. Anyways, ja, cha. Time for the big reveal. Time for the big reveal. I think no. I think he's number one. This guy's number two. She's number three. This guy's number four. This guy's number five. This guy's number six. Okay, so number one, number two, number one, number two, number three, number four, number five, number six. Okay. Number one, number two, number three, number four, number five. I think that's the right order. But yeah, okay. This is my ranking: number one, number two, number three, and then number four, number five, and number six. Let's get the big reveal. Let's get the big reveal.
Correct order.
Content.
Don't be a kid.
Fam, don't do it.
I'm Team Fab.
Neither did I thought I'm going on.
2, 1.
Cha, is the Moroccan guy number one?
So he's a billionaire.
What did I tell y'all? What did I? What did I tell y'all, bro? This guy's number one. She's number two. This guy's number three. He's number four. Yo, what the fuck? Bro, why is this guy number six? Cha, am I bugging? She says that she treats only 2 months.
I didn't say something about my friend.
I'm Naeem. I've made $5,000 in total from trading prop firm accounts.
My name's Nina and I made 10 grand off trading.
Look, 3 months. We sleeping, man. For months, yeah. That's the best.
Yeah. Good. Just no, it's good. Just because just trading 2 months and then making 10 grand, like, come on, yo. That's good.
Straight from Cooking Island, yeah?
Yeah.
Shut up.
Isla. We love Isla.
Yeah, my name is Rohit. I make 30,000 a year from prop firms.
My name's Kev. I make 300k a year from trading.
Yeah, you sick guy.
300k? Nah. Chat, one day though, we're gonna get way above that level, bro. Not even at that level, way above that level. Trust.
Thank you.
So I'm Fab and made 1.8 mil.
Total.
1.8 million? Damn.
My name is Willow, and I made 2.8 million. And one of my cars is Volkswagen, but my most expensive car is an M5 Competition 2026.
What did I tell y'all? Not to underestimate these. I told y'all not to underestimate these nerdy ass guys, bro. This nigga just made 2 million and something like that. Brother. W, bro.
I think we all do at this point.
I'll FaceTime Isla. You guys can speak to Isla.
She is real.
Good.
Yeah, but we call it areas, right?
I'm sorry, I'm gonna plan.
We got Rohit, right?
Oh yeah, we got him right as well.
And all it was is switching two.
Not too bad. Hope you guys enjoyed this
Oh, yeah.
video. See you in the next one.
That was the end of the video. Peace out.